What's going on, guys? I have a rugby game tonight, so I'm not going to do anything totally crazy to tire myself out. I'm eating lunch. My buddy Garrett is going with me as well, so that should be fun. We got Davis making my thumbnails over here for me.
What's up?
It's just what we do, you know? I don't really know if I'm going to do anything in between lunch and my game. So it definitely looks like we're about to be playing rugby in this rain, and I'm kind of excited, but it's gonna be cold. It's gonna suck. Hi, Garrett. So we just got done with lunch. We're kind of bored right now. It's a little wet outside, so we're gonna... There he is. Getting on a matting grind before my game. You know, it just really helps me relax and calm down and just be the best athlete I can, you know? Okay guys, I'm going to my game right now. I just spent a lot of time at home, you know, doing nothing really. But it's about to be so cold at my game and I'm kind of nervous. Like, I don't even care, I'm about to play a game, I'm gonna be exhausted, but I'm worried about the weather. I'm really worried. I don't know, I might just be a baby. But, yeah. I have my hair in a man bun because rugby, they don't let you wear headbands for some reason. Alright, I'm gonna turn the light off because I can't drive. The lights aren't on yet. We're all just hanging out right here because we don't want to go in the dark field. So that sucked. I just sat out there for maybe 2 hours, soaking wet, frozen. It's probably the coldest I've ever been in my life. I couldn't even move my fingers. Like, starting the car, I literally like dropped my keys. The game, I played the first half, got a couple, you know, good runs in. You know, I was on a few tackles, nothing too much. Then the second half, I came out. I literally just, look at my jacket's completely wet. There's not a dry spot on it. I just sat there, just soaked, and it was terrible. I'm home now. I don't even want to leave my car. I have freaking scratches all over me. Okay, right now I'm gonna book it to my house. I'll see you inside. Okay, bye. Okay, I just got home. I'm in my house. As you notice, I have a towel on. But we got the win, so that's all that matters. See you next time.